After a serious truck accident, everyone points at the truck driver. But what if that's only part of the story? What if the real responsibility leads far beyond the driver's seat? Before you decide who's at fault, there's something you need to know that could completely change how a truck accident case is handled. Let's find out who can really be held responsible for the damages. Determining responsibility isn't always as simple as blaming the driver. When people ask, are truck drivers responsible for damages? The answer depends on several factors surrounding the accident. Negligence is often a key factor in truck accidents. Truck drivers have a duty to operate safely, follow traffic laws, and protect others on the road. When they fail to do so, they may be held responsible for injuries and losses. Before filing a truck accident claim, it's important to understand what damages may be recovered. Truck accidents can cause serious physical, emotional, and financial harm. Victims may seek compensation for emotional distress, property damage, and bodily injuries ranging from minor injuries to life-threatening conditions. Understanding these damages is an important step toward pursuing truck accident compensation. So, are truck drivers responsible for damages? In many cases, driver negligence is one of the most common causes of truck accidents. Actions like tailgating, fatigue, distracted driving, reckless driving, speeding, failing to yield, and unsafe lane changes can all lead to crashes. When these actions cause an accident, the driver may be held liable. However, determining responsibility requires carefully examining every detail surrounding the accident. But driver mistakes are only one part of the investigation. Sometimes a broken safety rule can reveal who is truly responsible. Truck drivers must follow state and federal regulations, including cargo securement rules, hours of service limits, licensing standards, and vehicle inspection requirements. When these rules are violated, they can become strong evidence of liability in truck accidents. Impaired driving is another serious factor. If a truck driver operates a vehicle under the influence of drugs or alcohol and causes a crash, they may face increased civil liability and criminal consequences. However, responsibility may go beyond the driver. Trucking companies can share liability if they fail to maintain their fleet, hire unqualified drivers, ignore safety regulations, or provide proper training. In many cases, the company may be responsible for the actions of its driver while they are working. Other parties may also be involved. Manufacturers or maintenance providers can be liable if defective parts, poor repairs, mechanical failures, or tire issues contribute to an accident. Other drivers, construction companies, or government entities responsible for unsafe roads may also share responsibility. This is why victims often need to determine who is liable in a truck accident before pursuing compensation. And even after identifying who may be at fault, another question remains. How will compensation be recovered? Commercial trucks often have larger insurance policies than passenger vehicles, and multiple policies may apply, including the driver's insurance, trucking company coverage, umbrella policies, and cargo insurance. Managing these policies can become complicated, which is why experienced legal guidance is important. An experienced legal team investigates the crash, gathers evidence, works with experts, determines liability, and negotiates with insurance companies. They also protect victims from unfair offers and prepare to take the case to court if necessary. This helps answer an important question many accident victims have. Are truck drivers responsible for damages, or could other parties also be held accountable? A strong legal strategy can help present a compelling case and pursue the compensation you deserve. If any of this matched your experience, there is a free, confidential case review linked below. No pressure, no obligation.